Are you sure?
Yeah, said that when you are in class, I'm sitting back. I'm seeing when you are writing, you are even shaking your body. You are shaking your body. You're shaking your body.
My mother says I shouldn't like anybody.
Me dear, don't worry. I will like you, baby. But I will help you. You see, we the Akonfo, we have plenty money and plenty akokofunu, plenty oduafunu, plenty aponchifunu. I'll give you plenty meat. And when I sleep with you, you see, you become beautiful and you become fat. But you see, you are chengalenge.
Yes.
When I'm finished with you, everything will go. So you see, let's go inside.
Where?
This is my.
This?
Yes. No. I have air conditioning. Flat screen is there. Everything. You see, when I do this, you say you grow big. You grow beautiful. No. You grow like a ray. You know a ray.
No, I won't grow.
Oh, woman, something you're tenting.
Okay, let me see.
You see what? Listen. Okay. Come on, I sleep on you, and come on, you also sleep on me. So let's go. And bye. And I'm changing the TV, so you come and see. Come and see. Yeah, show you toys. Come and look at the toys. Ha! 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 Wow.
Back to school, yeah, back off. School yo, yeah, back off. School yo, yeah, back off. Yeah, back off. Busy mega school yo.
Hello.
Hey, buddy.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Today I don't see you in the school, so I decided to see that you don't come. Why you don't come to school?
Oh, I'm not feeling well.
Oh, okay.
So I have to go and see the doctor.
Where is the sickness?
My whole body.
No. There may be malaria.
No, not malaria. It's malaria.
Malaria.
Yes. So I'm going to see the doctor.
Oh, sorry. So if you don't, can I massage you? Can I do it for you?
I don't really know what's wrong with me. So you let me go and see the doctor.
Oh, okay.
So that's when I come back, I'll let you know. Okay. There's something.
God help me.
Yeah. You know what? You take this money.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Take this.
A fresh shot. You are giving me money.
Yes.
Why are you giving money?
Oh, don't worry.
Oh.
So I'll see you tomorrow when I come back. Okay. See you.
You let me fresh shot.
Can't hold my young fight, yeah, back off. School yo, yeah, back off. School yo, yeah, back off.
Since I was born, I don't see the nice woman like this teaching. The always the one you see them is flat. But this woman is if I don't make bold, I can't tell this woman I love him. If I smoke, they will see that I smoke. Okay, I'll take tramadol. In a minute, be 80, I can face her. Kai, what a woman. He let me face, I give it. Lazy mouth, I don't quite draw. Have me bold. Okay, madam. Thank you very much. Ha! My woman, I'm a shop. Oh God, Kai, this is why.
Masuma afu. Go open and let someone coffee. I'm gonna put it to dinner.
Ah, let me be as well when you say music. I'm going to be about
Oh,
M-O-Go. M-O-Go. I want to. For sheep, no kill lah. For sheep, lah. For sheep. You see how your temperature is rising? I should go so that you can continue. Hey, are you in the school to study or to act a sexy film? I should go and say continue.
No, she will be done.
Very, very simple. Very, very simple. I will allow you to continue. But remember, I'm going to report you.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Hey, you.
Sir,
Which hand are you used to touch me? You want to put me Kasakuku? You know Kasakuku?
Oh, me magic scammer.
They have dismissed you.
Miss Row, me magic scammer.
Okay. Get up here. Get up. Yeah, come on.
Silence.
Next time you talk. Stop. Next time. If you don't stop talking, you will see. I am the guest SP and the class captain.
Silence.
Class 10.
Good
morning, sir.
Good morning, class. How are you?
We are fine, thank you. And you?
I am very, very fine. Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Benide, I said take your seat.
Yes, take.
I'm away taking.
Sure, Benide, I said take your seat.
Sir, this is not the table. You said the seat, and I'm taking my seat.
And what is wrong with you? I said take your seat.
And I'm taking my seat.
Sit down.
No, okay, take it. Hey, yes, super.
Agbo,
Sir.
what is the company and the Doliti?
Sir, they are going to do by day.
What is the dog?
They are going to do by day. Whip.
What is that? Company. What you are Doliti? Why are you not coming to school?
Sir, Rickety. Sir, them call me. My house, my dog, noise, gang. Who is that? Me, company, and little. So why he say today no school, sharp, quick, little, because we go for Pampers.
Yes.
We go for Pampers.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now we can ask Tinagri and
Yes. Buy packets and then
we dey go do.
sir, they went to the laboratory.
Why? They put papers.
Yes, pampers.
You put papers.
Sir, no. They have gone to visit the laboratory.
You going to what?
They have gone to visit the laboratory.
A laboratory.
Yes.
Hey, sir, please. Would you give me no be a much one I can patch?
Yes.
Of course, I'm actually of a brand one of my
I didn't say secretary. I said laboratory.
You get out.
Sir, me, I don't have money. I go also buy poop. I come to school. You just sack me, I go. My mother is not there. He's going to market, sell tomatoes. Where I'm going to stand in the house. I don't have anywhere to go. So today, I'll sleep here.
But
But the time I come 1 to 3, you should get out.
Sir, you will kill us for you. This school are they come. If you money, that's why they come this school. You know the money, I don't go come here to nothing.
Don't respect her like
me, I don't respect. Who need Nyasa out there?
Where are you going?
Be very careful. Why? Even you get out.
Me?
But the count of 1 to 3, get out.
Me never give me pay.
Get out.
When the okay say I go break it. I never can push. Hey, don't push me, I will go.
Sir!
Yes, support. Yes, support.
Get out.
I'm going to take money, and that's why I'm going. And I'm going to take money. I'm not going to live here. Sure, you did that.
Company.
They will kill me for here.
Company.
Sir.
You know that I'm coming from Aflau? And the voter region. If you make a vase, if a vase,
Company, go ahead.
Madam, I went to your place and somebody tell me you are this tree, you are getting wings. So I decided to come here. Madam, I have something to tell you. It's pressure me, and I have tried to cover it myself and can't. So now we have some problems that if a water more go to the frog mouth, it come war. And if a drums is there, we don't beat side and side, we beat middle. Then sun will pim 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 pim. So now I don't want to be side and side. I have to be bold and tell you everything. You are too beautiful. If I see you in the school, I can't learn. They play everywhere you go. I just look you around. You see, I make bazaar. At times when you come to classes, everything you teach, it didn't go to my head. I just watch you. You are a very nice, beautiful girl. I don't know how to describe you. So please, you help me. All is that I love you. And I have some one plot there. I'll give it to you so that we can bond. I and you bond. Give me one chance. How Jimmy Cliff make this song? Beautiful woman, give you one more chance. Beautiful woman,
Oh my God.
give me a chance. That's on that you born. Maybe you don't born. It's long music.
Do you respect at all? Do you respect?
Yeah.
Who even gave you the audacity to come and sit here to tell me you love me? How do you see me?
I see you are a very beautiful lady.
Yes. Today should be your first and last. I'm here to teach you. I'm your teacher. You can't even speak good English. I'm your teacher, that's why I'm here to teach you how to speak English. You hear me? I'm not your type, and you can't...
A teacher! A teacher!
You think it's good? It's not good at all. It's not good at all. What you are doing is not good at all. Look at the
So you're jealous. Oh, she need it. That makes you no homework.
And you feel your money now. I know.
What are you doing?
Sir, homework now. The homework you put the board top. He say he don't understand. And I try to teach the work is about adolescents. And he say, let me explain it and show him.
You're supposed to eat yourself in this forest.
No, not for. I'm teaching him how to write in the ground.
You?
Yes.
Teaching him. Hey, kneel down. Hey, kneel down.
Sir, please.
I said kneel down.
Say,
Hey.
kneel down.
Kneel down.
I say, kutu.
Hey, don't of you. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Go down on your knee. I will try to remove you from this school. I will delete you from this school.
Sir, please. Sir,
You have given virus in this school.
To happen
sir,
again.
please. Sir, please.
It's not happy again. And you want to gain again. Go back to your room. Go.
Okay.
Go. Sit down.
Sir.
I remove you from this school.
Huh?
He hit you.
No eat.
No eat. Wake up.
Huh?
Stand up. Come here. Come here.
Oh, sir.
Hey. So one person will me you will do free school with more. And then me bra. Let me job.
Huh?
It's you. Let me job.
So,
What?
what's going on?
I'm too big.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
You problem me.
Don't worry, I'll not prepare you. I'll use it to put into the mouth.
No.
Why?
It will move.
It will what?
It will move.
The water will come in. Then the flow. Hey.
Sir, no, stop. Sir, don't do that.
Okay, I use coconut soup.
Coconut and soap.
Yes.
Coconut soap.
Coconut soup.
Sir, what I know? There is no coconut soap.
In Kuto.
But
To follow it. Then I'll put it in the shower.
Nguto, what is the name of Nguto?
Coconut soup. You don't know coconut soup?
Shea butter.
Who?
Shea butter.
That is opposite side. It's past participle.
That is biara biara.
Biara biara. You know biara biara.
Biara biara.
Go.
Oh, sir, you bribe me. You want to bribe me? You
And then with the drama bomb. Buyam. And
I called you here to give you a last warning. This is your first and last warning that you have been running away from school. I've received several reports that you have been running away from school. And this is your first and last. You, Amma, and Naomi. What is your problem?
Sir, we are sorry, but it's not our fault. Just that we depend on ourselves. That's all.
It's not your fault.
Sir,
So we are sorry.
it's not easy for me to get money to even eat. I have to go and sell pure water. Sometimes they will not buy the water.
No, sir, it's true.
You are sharing a crocodile tears. That is a crocodile tears. Huh?
Please, it's not crocodile.
It's a crocodile tears. I'm giving you the last warning. I don't want to see this thing again. If I receive that report again, I'll dismiss you from the school. Okay?
We are sorry.
Me, I don't favor students. You have to be a serious student. Okay? I'm not like that teacher that is wearing a host like he's going to play a corner kick for Bofuaka or Liberty Professional. Okay? So I will see you tomorrow, okay? Okay. Huh? Okay. So,
you know I don't have a mother. I don't have a father too. Hey. Why you leave me. Go to your house.
I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here with you.
You can't stay here with me. We can't. Because I'm not responsible for that. Go to your house.
I'm not going anywhere.
I said you go to your house. Here is not your sleeping place. I'm not responsible. I'm not. Ashamed of it. I'm responsible. Me, I'm responsible.
What? What is going on? Why? We are hiding here. Why are you disturbing the woman and disturbing yourself too?
You this dwarf. Where are you going?
Who?
You, those.
We.
Yeah.
We are dwarfs.
Yes, you
Sir.
dwarfs.
If you see the dwarfs, you will see them.
Yes.
Do you know dwarfs?
Dwarfs is a person whose leg is at the back.
And if you see our legs is our back.
Your forehead is like Mount Zion.
It's like yours. My forehead is like yours.
Me.
It's like yours.
You don't zambu me. Hey.
Sasa Bonsang.
You are telling
It's like yours.
What boba?
What
kind of fire to
look at your face.
Unsentintia.
Uzo 19.
Hey.
Abogua. Pochi.
Akwe Kafu. Fun lady. What is wrong with you? What is your matter? Talk me. I'll collect it for you.
My thing didn't come. And
Your thing? What? You collect your pen?
No.
Then why?
What thing didn't come? What?
I'm pregnant.
Hey, you are pregnant. When you call me, good news.
Who is responsible for your pregnancy? Who? The door.
The teacher.
No. Yes, teacher.
Teacher. Abomination.
Listen to me.
He goes up for
that Apampemu store.
That foolish teacher. He did village and no get career. He did the fuck woman like a goat and pig. Preko. Yes. He no get career. This vagabond teacher. I told you that. He destroyed your life. What's your son?
What's it?
Hey, say down kwasem ne kan.
Hey. Don't come.
So what?
Don't come.
So why?
You are calling yourself father.
Yes.
Who bet me I
You see, I talk you. This man is a fresh man. You don't get career.
Let me go now.
Leave me alone.
Hey,
leave me alone.
Me and the help me, they can beat me. Look, I have told you that you have a future for your parents. And
Stop beating me.
Who should stop beating you?
Hey.
Who should stop beating you? I won't beat you.
Now, it's happened. Come pass. It's here. Me, I travel country. Like Barrier. Pokwase. Sunyai. Kaswa. Yeah. So me, I'm responsible man. I can take care of you. For the lady. Hey, keep quiet. I'm talking calming. Me, I can. So give me.
Stop talking.
Have your corner.
Answer me, and now show her.
Go away, go. Leave me alone. Go.
Good afternoon. What are you doing here?
Sir said you should come for classes.
Come for classes. Go home.
Yeah, I'll see him.
I say go home.
Hey! Stay there. Mr. Watching. Why are you always want to destroy me in the little rats of these girls? Why?
Let me ask you.
Ask me.
What mandate do we have to organize any extra classes in this house?
Any mandate. Any quarter. No more classes. I want me them.
You have no right.
I have the right.
Go home.
Hey, stand there.
Can't you hear what I'm saying?
Hey.
Go home.
Stand there.
Hey. Zacchaeus, be careful.
It's my duty to teach them and to qualify the exams and pass the examinations.
You people go home.
Hey, stay there. Enter.
Can't you understand what I'm saying?
Who should understand? Enter. Better Yiji. Hey, what are you going? What do you want to do? Why?
Zacchaeus, be careful.
You too, be careful.
Somebody has invested a lot of money. And that money cannot go wasted.
I don't care. I want to waste the money because it's wasted years. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? What do you want to do?
I will not allow them to be there.
I will allow them to be there. Hey, I hate what you're doing. We need pray for power. We need blood. What?
Me many blood.
We need blood.
At the pub and away, me many baby.
At the pub, me say, me man, me coach you.
Who took them?
Hey, who don't you cover? If you are a man like Antichrist, enter there and gather. Hey, give me. Let's all challenge me.
I am challenging you.
What are you?
I am challenging you. I have every right to challenge you.
People right here. People right here. Hey, come here, come on, you can't touch it. A poor, you can cheer. Quadonto, Saji. What the if my body is coming, it's painful you. Me won't ban oya. A poor snake and what? Butterfly and MFD. Snail and what? What? When I will do the right thing, I will do the right thing. You do the wrong thing.
Then you are going to lose your own job.
I like it.
You'll be jobless, I'm telling you.
Jobless? I like it in that way. I like the jobless.
Hey, come out!
Hey!
Zacchaeus.
Here they.
Zacchaeus.
Here they. Jawasem, and money me son. It's my time. Me call them do mun bako and now to ya. Them do so now to ya. Them doing 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 now to ya. Them in them. Them in them. Them two boys ya. Let's relax ya. Them the man no to meet you. Ooh. Kati jiom ye mon brebo ma he o mo do so twa. Medwom. What's that surprise you?
You are worrying yourself.
Exactly.
You are what? You are going to lose your job.
Precisely.
Headmaster will hear.
Not two ways about that. I'm raining here. Zacchaeus, I'm raining here. Zacchaeus, I'm raining here. Mejamu, Ashawani Bonyam. Open your home. Ready. Yeah.
Back to school.
Zacchaeus. Zacchaeus.
Good morning. Good morning. What do you want?
Come out and let me speak to you. Now, Zacchaeus, I am for peace, but when I speak, they are for war. I have not changed my trajectory of isopos to your permanent place of domicile. I mean your hacienda for pleasantness. Painstaking observation shows that you have broken the mammographical virginity to its speculation of 2 of the female students and giving them unwanted pregnancy. This is an affront to the ethics of our profession. I want you to know that
You are in this school not because of your qualification, but because of grace. The wise found you as a comic relief. That is why they brought you to the school. Therefore, if you don't turn over a new leaf and live up to expectation, you will be laughing at the wrong side of your mouth when the laws of the land come face to face with you. I've forgiven you, but next time you will not have it easy. Is that clear?
Headmaster, why is it that always you want to use my face to ground the ground? Why? Why? As if I'm a dog. Dog. Who will see my dog? No. Why? Just because I'm too leggy. What you are saying is not good enough. Because always you think I'm a small boy, use my face to rub in the ground. And this is your first and last warning I'm giving to you, headmaster. To come in this compound and telling me this. I will try to touch you there and beat you because you want to seize my fundamental association and it's too bad for you, headmaster. I will not tolerate that. If you are shorter, I'm a longer. And I can stand inebriety to see who is who. Please, off from the stage.
I will leave. But mind you, you will not like the consequences of what you are doing. And know that if you throw a stone against an egg, the egg will break. And if you throw an egg against a stone, the egg will still break.
Meet Machari.
Is that clear?
Machari.
Thank you.
The problems we said, say it again. Say the problems again.
Oh, Zacchaeus! Ade! Mami sani wansan. Why? Call me Pija Okrini. Anade!
Baby, I should say my life.
Wash. I want to know, sir. Sorry.
Oh! Ade! We babuni pa.
Me.
The incredible me no. Me himself who no me shut up bopo. I no mo ayem sa.
Me ya say.
Isan kan. So bi tire me ayem sa.
Me nya oboni bia. Me nya oboni bia.
Papa ya hia. Boni ya hia. Tit for that.
You be me day.
Shut up.
O be me day.
Ready be you. Ah, ko tu.
Da bi ma kwa ma nya.
Sese no ba me ko. Me ma so bu be jo. Nkuta jime. Enu bu se.
Me ti ma je me ho.
So, I don't understand what's going on here. I don't understand. Do you also understand something about it?
No.
thing
you have
is too
to force a
complicated.
learning. We have to get someone to teach us. We have to get somebody
I think so,
to
because
teach
me, I don't
us.
understand anything.
I saw a certain man last time saying he will help me. Let's ask that man later.
The teacher.
Which man?
So that by all
But
means.
do you understand?
Hello, Stella. I want to talk to you.
Talk to me.
Yeah? Stella, please, stay away from Little.
Ah!
I said, stay away from Little.
What is she talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. Little is my boyfriend. So stay away from him. I said, stay away from Little. I'm with Little for a long time. So not you.
Ajwa.
Stay away from him.
Don't try me. Ajwa, don't try me. Ajwa, don't bring yourself here.
I shouldn't try you.
Let me tell you. Listen to me carefully. I love Little.
You love no.
Theo. Ajwa. Leave me. Leave me. Let me finish. Why? What's going on? Don't try me. What do you have to do that? Ajwa, be careful. What do you have to do? Stop it. Allow me to fight. Leave me alone. Ajwa, don't try. What's that? Ajwa, be careful. Ajwa, stop it. Stop it. Allow me to finish. Let me finish. Let me finish. Baba at the school.
Hold it.
Here.
Hey, I don't have some.
You are not get some.
Then let's go here.
Why you dey see my this thing inside?
I no get. Play.
No.
This one is
still inside.
Ah, it is there. Don't you?
Why you get big marble?
But you foot it.
I put it and so. Maybe you change it.
Not you there for me.
I don't have.
Liam.
You have?
Yes.
Okay. Should I go?
Hey.
Hey.
You're not allowed. You're not allowed.
Why are you not allowed?
Later.
You're not allowed.
I want to talk to you.
Why?
I want to discuss something.
Your eyes didn't open. You can't see.
But
big,
we are
big
playing.
man.
We are playing.
You
are playing. Please, I want to talk to you. Come. I want
Hey,
to
stand
talk
up.
to you.
I don't want this guy to say something wrong to me.
Let's go.
Why? What's the problem?
You know the thing they go on for this school.
What's that?
Sure. Your man, he be wife with that oh.
Are you sure?
Sure. He best wife with that. You know the dog with that mom. But I be this week no as he say he catch another one for him back. He catches some big lady big for school inside.
Who later?
Later.
Who is that girl?
You see that big girl there our school inside there?
Yeah, the fair color. Yeah.
He the top up.
Can he eat?
I don't know.
Hey.
Adam.
You are gossiping about me.
Hey.
You can't mention your name.
Sit down.
See your face as stupid.
I mention your name.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, you see the girl who just come here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my girlfriend. We are dating about 3 years this.
It's your girlfriend?
Chop on my attire. So different girl. He did the school inside. He said he love me.
Who is that girl?
That fair girl, TikTok. He get nyas. Big.
So you are dating two girls?
Yeah, I'm chopping her.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm.
Have you eaten before?
Oh, I chop.
For school inside.
So now you are you are learning meat. You use and if what meat you go to chew?
That one I don't know. But eat out.
Let's go.
Hey, Sandy, come.
So where you get the money? What are you going to do with it? Me? Yeah. I'll buy myself some new clothes. Wow. And then I'll buy myself some chicken, you know? It's been a long time since I ate chicken. So I'll buy chicken. Hey, you mommy's girl. Mommy's cat. And when I go to America, hey, I go to the show, say chill. Me?
Let me talk to you. Not you, Stella.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm coming, girls. Okay.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm standing. I'm fine.
I heard something and it is frightening me. Something. Yeah.
About what? Like what?
Is it true? Little is your something.
Don Little.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is your something.
He's my boyfriend, my boy lover, and I love him very well.
So Little eat you?
He chopped me. He chopped my hair. Come on. Raise my thighs like this. Enter. Well.
And you don't feel shy. He eat you?
Yes. I love him. He handled the thing well.
So okay. What about you? How do you take me?
How?
You have some problems that the water love you go to your cooler. So what are you doing to me? What about me?
You?
Yeah.
You are my schoolmate. You are my classmate.
But I love you.
You love me? No, I love Don Little. I love Don Little.
So you are snubbing me and take Don Little?
Yes, Don Little. Raise my leg. Enter. Small. Pa. Well. I love him. I don't love you. I don't love you. I love him so much.
Please think about that. Because I'm the person. Take your level as let's start because I'm always coming to confuse you people to go to school. Now you are speaking good English. So you have to consider me. So who is the lecturer?
This place is not the campus, so I can say whatever I want to say. So I'm going. I don't love you. I love John Little. I love him.
Oh my goodness.
Wonderful.
Woody, I love John Little. I don't love you.
Second girl, you are you kidding me? You not second, you can even if you start second. You two I love the second girl. We have some problems that ladies lack the fresh one. So is that true? You love lecture. So let's say, are you born here or come on? Then maybe he enter your stomach, not that he. Hi! Lecture. No problem. I'll work on this thing. Because if your stomach, if you put on lecture, it's good that. So why are you defending lecture? You get fibroid. You are a fibroid lady. You are fibroid. No problem. If you load on, I'll take another one. Listen. We are all boys in the school. Little is do something. It's not good.
Little.
Little. You are always cause confusion in the school. You cause confusion. Ajwa. And that big girl, what do you call her? I don't know the name.
The fat one.
Yeah, they are always fighting. Why you do this? Small boy.
Because of they love me, that's why they are doing that.
They love you.
Come and stand there. So, how are you doing that? It's not good.
They love me, that's why.
They love you. So, if they love you, why didn't tell them something better? And they are always fighting with you.
Oh, so you standing here? I search around, I no see you.
They one corner.
Here is joint for we.
Oh.
Anytime break, we come for here and talk. After break, then we go.
Okay.
Yes, cool.
Ready?
Yeah.
I have it.
What is that?
The thing.
What?
This thing. Apple.
The apple.
For the exams.
Apple for what?
For the exams. Nice one. A great group.
Who gave it to you?
One of teachers. Sure.
Okay.
He said that I shouldn't mention him name.
He tried, pa.
He tell me this is a 5 carpenter town of Ghana.
5 carpenters.
5 carpenter.
Yes, carpenter town.
Why carpenter who don't have time?
Carpenter have time. You have a time.
Hey, as a carpenter.
Okay.
Carpenter or carpenter?
This is Ekwanda soro esiete. Ekwanda soro esiete.
Ekwanda soro
esiete.
Is it true or English?
I don't mind you. And this one is Ashawoma esiete.
Ashawoma esiete.
No.
Isa gongon esiete. Isa gongon esiete. Kwabrenya esiete. Kwabrenya esiete. Abodi. And that one is
wrong.
See.
Oh, no, you are wrong.
Yes.
Why?
Kwadaso. Esther.
No, look at the down one. The down one. Isa gongon was siete. See.
Kwadaso. Esther.
Esther.
Kwadaso.
Esther. Yeah. This was Ashon. No. This one I'll take it to somebody to show the teachers.
That one is Kwabenenya.
This one Kwabenya. Kwabenya.
Yeah, I think you are right. Kwabenya. Yeah, Kwabenya Esther. Oh, okay.
This is the
so this is the one is coming.
Yes.
Okay.
And because of the Easter is coming, that's why they add Easter. You go.
No, Easter, not Easter.
Easter.
You know,
that's good.
Honey.
I'll write it to
You're right.
Oh, you
don't worry. Later you can come. Okay? What can come?
You know, get pen.
You know how much
I don't have pen.
Can't write them.
That the important one is Kwabrenya Asiete. That one.
Kwabenya Asiete.
Now, do you like apostle?
Yes.
Is it doing something?
Yes.
Why?
Guess
Take a friend to guess.
Who?
Little.
Ajwa.
Oh, Ajwa is a normal.
Yeah, and that big
The
woman.
fat one.
Which one?
The fat one.
The biggest one.
So are you trying to tell me the mouse can chop beef foster?
Yeah. They chop beef foster well.
Papa Chua like you can chop 3-bedroom, 3 and bath, and small under garage. You Papa Chua. Hey boy,
so you have to take. Otherwise, that we won't give you some. So no, and then you are going to fail. So I'm telling you, take one.
That one is good for you.
2 of them, they like me, that's why.
They love you.
They like you, okay.
Yes.
Like Abafu.
But we said choose one.
I cannot choose one.
Why?
My father give me medicine.
He give you medicine.
For girls, I take do them, so I cannot stop.
So the reason why they love you is medicine.
I want the young quiet.
So it's not their eyes and your money.
You.
My target is the Madam Cloud.
But target is who?
But you have to go.
The madam.
Your target is the madam. Hey, wonderful. Shall never end. The madam. You won't eat the madam too?
Hey, this Papa Chua, you can cause you. You
so, who are you? Are you using this man in your mind to do this? Go. Oh, no. Don't.
Oh, madam, what is this? Oh, buddy, I don't like this.
I take it.
Yes, sir. Buddy.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. I came to you.
Oh, sit.
Okay.
Sit. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
What brings you here this morning?
Yeah, I'm here and I'm very serious. I'm very, very annoyed. Why I'm saying this? You people don't want to pay me. I've worked with you 6 months now. 6 months, I don't receive any pay. So I decided I have to come here and talk to you. Tell your people I need my pay.
Don't worry, it is true that we agreed to really increase your standard of living to an astronomical quotient. We said no matter what, we will try to increase your standard of living to an astronomical quotient. But there have been some small problems. That's why you have not received it. And mind you, I will never allow these whites to use you people as hewers of wood and drawers of water. I'll be meeting with the authorities this weekend. And I'll make sure that they pay you all your money.
Do you know I'm the one help to get this school or establish this school? Do you know that?
Exactly.
You should know that I have withdrawn all my stomach to work with you people.
Yes.
I will withdraw all my stomach to work with you people. Look, I'm the one help go outside around people, talk to them, establish this school.
Yes, I know.
And if you are refused to pay me, you should know that I'm the only person I can go around the same thing and talk to the people and destroy the school.
No. Weddy, you are a very bright student. In fact, if I look at your development, it even beats our imagination. We are planning to give even scholarship to your brothers and sisters to go outside. So please, just exercise restraint. Exercise restraint for us and continue to do what you are doing. I will make sure that all of you receive your pay.
Please, I'm telling you this. If you want to tell something to God, you tell in the wind.
Exactly.
The wind will take it to God. Exactly. That's why I'm coming to tell you. Look, these white people, they come all the way from their country. They have used our forefathers and their forefathers. They don't pay them. And now, still, we are slaves to them. Why this thing can happen? Why this thing can happen? God, please, I'm telling you, you can use your mother bless to play, but not the testicle. You can't use me like that. Look, I have respect for you. I can see that you are using my testicle to play.
No.
Listen. Leave me.
Weddy.
Do you think I'm first mind?
Oh, no, don't worry.
Please, you can't use me to talk. Tell you.
Everything will be okay.
Don't follow me. Why are you following me
to school?
You say?
Both of us are going to school.
I'll pass you. Don't follow me. You are make wine.
Back to school. Yeah, back off. School yo. Yeah, back off. School yo. Yeah, back off. Yeah, back off. Busy make us school yo. Yeah, back off. School yo. Yeah, back off. School yo. Yeah, back off. Yeah, back off.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, back off.
Hey, Nasai, don't shake me. Is that how you are? Hey, don't shake me.
Uncle, I don't know what officer.
I go to the headmaster. He's not there. Where's my money?
Uncle.
Nasai, hey, don't come inside.
Uncle, 6 months. I'll pay you 2.
6 months? You didn't pay me.
Oh, Uncle, last week I paid 2 for you.
Okay. Yeah, it's 2. You give me 2. Yeah. Where's the 4?
I'll pay it next week, please. Next week I'll pay it.
6 minus 2. No 4.
4, yeah, I know. Next week I'll pay, please. Uncle, please, I'll pay.
So you now say you want to cut me?
Oh no.
You want to cut me? Who tell me anything, boy?
I don't know, sir. Me timi nyesa. This one man unlucky kaka. Me sort out.
Nana say. Who no more flock ever come me boy?
Me boy, uncle.
How can you disappoint me like that? Nana say. You know my age?
Uncle, no, I know you are.
Please, Mr. Brady, calm down, please.
I should come down. Okay, I'm down. Give me my money. No. I'm down. Give me my money.
Sorry.
So you say I'm down.
Uncle, Mr. Next week, I'm here to bank some cash. Why?
Now say, I'm grow older than you.
I know, Uncle, please.
You can't. Oh!
Uncle, please. Next week, let's have a why?
Don't touch me! You and Nessa, you are leading these people to make me azar. You want to cut me it? Who told me Eddie? No way! Your head like a billow. Nonsense. If you are white, then so what? If you are white, what is the white? If you are white, I'm black. What kind of white? If you are white, you are God. Nonsense.
What? Wait, please.
Why? What was
Wait,
this?
please.
So when I'm coming, you are follow me?
Yes, yes.
Any problem? What's that?
Yes.
What's this? Can't you talk?
A teacher. Teacher Zacchaeus.
Zacchaeus,
He told us to come to his room for classes. And
what else?
And we sleep. So
I don't understand. You sleep?
we sleep and now I'm pregnant. She's pregnant too.
So you who pregnant? You?
Both of us.
So 2 of you pregnant? Wonderful. So teacher Zacchaeus, he eats you and eats you too. But 2 of you are friends.
Yes. This one is first and me I'm second. No, you are first, I'm second. No, you go there before. It's her.
So what time did you have to get your menstruate? So it didn't come. And you too?
The other one.
So you are 2 months.
Yes.
So you're pregnant 2 months. Yes. And you two pregnant 1 month. Oh! You know I've made a big mistake. Because this is what people want to help us. Why you disappoint yourself like this?
I didn't know.
What kind of help do you want me to do? What kind of help?
Please help us. You know I don't have no mother, no father, only me and my sister. And I want to go to school.
You want to continue your school?
And I want to go to America.
You two want to go to America?
Yes.
Look, the help you need, me, I can never tell you that go and withdraw the pregnancy. I can't do that. And you know you can't pregnant and sit at the same time in the classroom. So, I don't know what to say. Oh, no, stand there.
Please help us. You know me and you, we are buddies, please.
Listen, you should know that you are going to school. These white people, they are helping us. Because you get it anywhere. As a schoolboy, a school person, I said that they pay you.
Will you please help us, okay?
You have gone and sleep there. And raise up your leg. Here an 10 degree, here an 10 degree. And you feel. He forced you. When he forced you, that time your teeth is not there. Why didn't you bat him? Please, there's nothing I can do. Honestly. So decide for yourself.
Charlie, no one come. You two, why? You are run away. Somebody come, you say somebody come. If somebody come or no, we are run away. Let's run away.
Charlie, this school, this school, I'll stop. No one can control me.
You see?
It's no responsibility.
It's not what?
It's responsibility.
Stop that English, it's not
Could
fun.
you believe that I find my job? When I was handling my job, then if you come, you convince me, you say you go give me money, plenty money. See, no pavement. No pavement.
Forget them. You see, these Oyibo people, they want to cheat us. When I was selling my yogurt, me farmer every day see money, every day count money. I read my money every day.
Yeah, when I see you, I buy one.
Bring me here. Me, I think you pay me month. I get small to go put for corner and save something. Come to school, you say give money. 3 months, no money. Every day money come, no money. See, forget them. Let's go. Me, I'll go and sell farm like I'll come back.
I will stop the school class.
Headmaster.
Sit.
Headmaster.
Yes.
I came to tell you something.
What is it?
Teacher Zacchaeus. He said if I let him do the thing, he will let me pass the exam so I can go to America.
So I let him do the thing, and I'm pregnant, and he said it's not him.
Zacchaeus. Does he even know Tema? Zacchaeus does not even know Tema. How can he take you to America? Oh Lord. When Zacchaeus saw Jesus Christ, he climbed the sycamore tree and repented, and his sins were forgiven. And you are climbing people's thighs to give them unwanted pregnancies. But let me tell you something. So after that, he said what? He said he's not the one who did it.
Yes, and he said he will give me
some compulsion
bottle to drink.
He will give you bottle to drink.
And I said no. So I don't know what to do. And the exams too, teacher Kojo was saying Arenta. And I was writing Arenta. And then teacher said I'm copying. And then they say go.
Yeah. Let me tell you something. A small sheep is bigger than a big sheep. My daughter, this is the same way I'll treat my daughter. Don't do any funny thing. Don't do any funny thing. So many people have committed abortion and they never gave birth again. Others too died in the process. So whatever will happen has happened already. So I'll beg you, please don't do anything. I will assist you.
I wanted to go to America.
Don't worry. Whether school or no school, you can go to America. I will assist you to rearrange yourself again. Exactly. Don't cry. Zacchaeus.
Never. Not to.
Hey, you know the marble I get?
Which marble?
You play first.
I go choke you. I know the fear.
You don't know.
Do you want you to cry?
Don't be rash. I'm teaching you that.
See.
Where do we?
Yes. Good afternoon, class.
Afternoon, sir.
So, you left the classroom and you come and play here.
Oh, sir. Sir, the subject they are teaching is not our favorite. And it is somebody's language, French.
No, be our
and
language.
We are decided to come and have fun here, playing.
So, you are playing
yes, sir.
in the fun?
We had just a fun.
That is not means you are playing cha-cha.
Oh, sir, it's not true. We are just playing to have fun.
Yeah.
I've seen you are playing cha-cha.
No.
We are Christianity.
Yes.
No, don't like those things. We are just having fun.
Hey! You are sitting there like cell to beat me. Ooh.
Little, no more money with that.
It's your money.
Hey, sir, I beg, it's my money.
I have authority to seize it.
My money?
Yes, and I've seized it.
Sir,
I've seized it.
my money.
Teacher, yes. I have respect for you.
Yes.
I know. Please, bring the money.
Yes.
You are playing cha-cha, and I've seized it.
Please. How do you mean that we are playing cha-cha?
Yes.
Are you a thief?
I'm not a thief.
But why are you taking our money?
You are playing cha-cha, and I have authority.
Please, bring the money. Otherwise,
yes.
we make ourselves distant. And we are.
So you want to beat me?
I'm telling the fact. Unless you give the money.
I'm wearing a tie, so if you touch me, It's
Just bring the money. Bring the money.
Immediately.
Bring the money.
Immediately. Immediately.
And yeah.
Get this one first.
Hey, I love you. I miss you, Papa.
I miss you too.
Hey, Don.
You are begging on.
Yes.
Don't worry. I don't love Adwa. Adwa, I'm just entertaining Adwa. So it's not my anything, you know.
She came and gave me strong money.
Strong money?
Yes.
And you didn't tell me. See how I will beat them off.
Yes.
Hey, Leto, I've been searching for you everywhere. And you are here making love with this Obolobo. Hey!
Madam,
you have been searching for
you.
you.
Okay, go off. You.
Adwa.
I've given you
Adwa.
Oh, give me. Why?
What are you doing? Hey. What are you doing?
Come here.
Yes, Messi. It's a Messi can get here. Please.
Don't listen. One, Adwa, talk to her.
Forgive me.
Talk to her.
Forgive me. I'll talk to her. Don't worry. I'll give her strong money. Don't worry.
Where are you?
Look at them.
I said, where are you?
Look at them. That's them.
Adwa, you next time I catch you, you see what I'll do to you. You dare me. You just dare me and you see.
Do to yourself, not me. Keep quiet. See, silence. Be careful.
Christy, don't bring yourself.
Right, talking to me. Leave me,
Don't
Adwa.
bring yourself.
Leave me, Adwa.
You just ask Adwa what I do to her.
If I try you, what you do? Me, I there for him.
Yes.
I there for him.
Yes.
I go show you. You stand there, make fool like crocodile. Do not crocodile.
Look at you. I love Don. I love Don. Am I lying?
Look at him like this.
Next time, don't touch him again. I'm giving you warning. Next time, don't touch him. Don't touch him. Christy, be careful. Christy, be careful.
By mistake.
Mascata si ni wewe wodi kawa. Sadi woni mi papa. Besi mascata si. Na say, ya match me wo bi. Sir, good morning. Oh, good afternoon.
Sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah. You are welcome.
You are welcome. Yeah, we are fine. Thank you.
I was just taking it now.
Oh, okay. You are taking map.
NAP.
Now. NAP. Now.
Not a map.
And what?
Nap.
Okay.
Short sleep.
And now.
And let's eat here.
Nipatietiana.
Anyway. What brings you here?
What's it, Kwasho?
Oh, sir, we are here because somebody wants to disgrace us. You can't sit down and see only somebody quit the whole education from Bukbara. Why? Go for education. After education, you get your accommodation, they pay. You get my point? After pay, you are grow. And somebody quit the education from Bukbara. No. No, sir.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about body.
Oh,
so all big nose, call body.
You see, the race is not for the swift, nor the battle for the strong. And both physics and philosophy are for petty weights.
Sir, everybody have bottoms. This is my battle.
I said both physics and philosophy are for petty weights.
Okay.
Divinity, the basic of the trade. The race is not for the swift, nor the battle for the strong. You see, everything is under control. Right now, we have agreed to pay the money. We shall pay everybody. 2, the organizers or the organization has accepted that everything will be restructured. They will not allow this education system to collapse. The organizers have agreed that everything will be done accordingly. But no lawlessness will be tolerated.
So, sir, now the education is quit. And you are talking about Rollins. Miss Rollins in school. Sir, Rollins is here about
if Wedi feels that it's above the law, we shall let him know that no one is above the law. So just take it easy. Everything's under control.
Sir, you know, Proverbs says, and you're going to say PD. Wedi is the only one who is spoiling the school. And these white people are helping us a lot. So do something about it.
Don't worry.
Okay. Sir, we have to take our lead.
Very soon, everything will take its rightful course.
Okay.
Water will take its rightful level. So just cheer up and know that we shall never ever sleep with our eyes closed.
Very soon.
You are down.
Very soon. Who told you? No, not down. Very soon is a China product. Sir, very soon is not good product. It's small quick product like this. So we will go to then next time I will come back and then I will take my pensioners, old pensioners to the house. And then I will come. Thank you. You are welcome. You are fine. Thank you.
Yabekobi, Aberwati Mikobi, Yabeko, Grand Sosa, Yabeko, Skuyo, Yabeko, Yabekobi, come home, my young cry, Yabeko, Skuyo, Yabeko, Skuyo, Yabeko, Yabeko, is it make us school, Yabeko.
Fellow students, I'm here to tell you people that we are on our way. But these people tell me to tell something good for you so that you all get interested in school, isn't it?
Yes.
They told us they will pay us 6 months now, no pay. But if somebody will beat you and you cry, it's not more than what you are sitting down and crying. I can see that these people, they don't want to give the money to us. So I sit down and see that these people are teaching us. So we are all going to stop the school.
Yes.
You agree?
Yes.
So I can't do it myself. I have to call you all people so that we share ideas and go for demonstration.
Yes.
So that it will shake them and give us the money. So I call you people here that these people, they don't want to pay our money to us. So we are planning to go for demonstration. Are you agree or not?
Yes.
Thank you. So if somebody wants something, you can say.
Buddy.
Yeah.
I have something to say.
I'm listening to you.
If we stop the school, how can we get our rest? Because we went to the school for a long time.
Yeah.
So we have a rest. How can we get it?
Look, we have some problems that if we shake Nunum, we hear the scent. So if we shake them, they will shock and bring the money to us. Yes. Because now they are taking it for granted. Yes. Because we can't talk, and they think we are not educated.
Yes.
So they want to take it on the ground and stop on we. So we have to stand up as a people.
Yes.
That's why I'm saying this. If we shake them, they'll bring the money.
Yes. Are you sure?
I'm telling the fact.
It's a nice idea. If you say so.
Body.
Yes.
You are party to you.
Thank you.
Me fwa wo so.
Thank you.
Demonstration no asi yetime ye.
Thank you.
Fisa nkrofo no fura do abam.
Yes.
Fura do abam. Efisa man kan sa nkyere ye. You agreement to agreement.
Yes.
Before.
Yeah.
You agreement.
Yes.
Afede na mo afede mo betua ye ka no ma hwe ni mu a. Mo ma wo sisi ye nyinyin. Ni aye ye dwuma. Into agreement na de asa timi ba so. Ye nya demonstration no.
So that's why I'm calling you people here. You come tomorrow so that we can sit down and plan the demonstration well, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Why what shame? What shame? What shame, Wendy? What shame? What shame?
What?
You came to my house and I told you that exercise patients, they will pay the money. What you are doing is insignificant. It is obnoxious. It is inimical. Why? Yes.
When I came to you, how many months now?
What you are doing is unnoticeable. It is insignificant. It is inimical to any kind of growth. I gave you time, and tomorrow is the time. Why can't you have little patience and wait till the day before? Even if you do anything you do, tomorrow is the deadline. So why can't you wait?
You didn't give me the deadline.
I told you tomorrow. I told you tomorrow. Why? And you go and organize people. Look, let me tell you something. Are you working? Are you working? If you are going to school, are you working?
Okay, see. When I'm going to go to school, are you?
Well, I say you should go to
Very
school
good.
to get knowledge. We are giving you knowledge for you to be able to be enlightened and travel to any part of the world. Why can't you be patient?
If I read and write, I'm hungry. What they read and write? If I read and write and I'm hungry, what am I using the read and write for?
Can you speak tree in England or Italy?
England
or Brazil? Can
you? England for me, I was in English. But
say every food now can. And you just okay, bro. The other time when I came to your house, you were dancing.
You are forcing me.
Before you could not
What is
even
English?
read.
What is English? The English, if I speak good, I eat or I drink.
But you don't eat English and drink English. But when you acquire knowledge, you will be able to communicate. It will open your eyes.
Communicate
with everybody.
For what? What's the English for?
Don't try to be a Jonah.
Oh, my brother,
don't try to be a Jonah. Let me tell you
something.
Oh,
just
when a mosquito settles on your testicles, then you know how it is to solve a problem through dialogue. And to see Ushua, and always
I come and testicle. Why can you enter?
It is a proverb.
Oh, leave me.
It is a proverb. Jonah, don't become a Jonah.
I don't like you. Oh, don't follow me. I don't like you.
What is the meaning of that?
You need the pay, you look your stomach. You eat, you look your pay, you look your stomach.
They pay me.
Oh, don't conquer me.
Take your time. Take your time.
You should take your time.
When you take your time, don't be a Jonah. You are now like a Jonah.
If you talk to me and you pointed to me,
you are a Jonah.
I hit your stone.
Jonah.
Past, present, future tense. Lead your matrix. I am embodied to sophisticate this grammatical error. Hey, back to school.
What authority and what vim do you have to separate the students from the school?
So what's your problem?
My problem is, I've heard that you had separate all the students and leave them and go to their house. Why?
Do you know I'm an elderly person?
I know.
So how do you think about me?
I don't think about you.
Very good. I'm assistant priest. These white people, they come and talk to me, blah, 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 to organize people to come and learn English.
Yeah. And so what?
They can speak English. I try my best. I go room to room, house to house, town to town, and organize some of the people. And you say you pay me. Not me alone. All the schools.
And so what?
4 months now. No pay. So how can we work without pay?
4 months no pay?
Yeah.
So the 4 months no pay and you to destroy the school?
Yes.
The president?
Yeah.
He told, she told the nurses that she paid them. 1 year, 8 months, no pay to the nurses.
Which one president are you talking about?
The one she passed.
The past one?
Yeah.
That's why the whole Ghana vote against them. So, if you are not paying it, we disobey. The same as at the corner.
You are a hypocrite.
I'm hypocrite.
Yes.
You are telling me I'm a hypocrite.
You are a hypocrite.
Do you understand what hypocrite?
Yes, I understand what hypocrite is.
What is hypocrite?
We hear me pa. You can't sit there and use something your money to chop so that if they give you money, then you stay.
Even you call yourself teacher.
I'm a teacher.
What English you are teaching us?
I teach you English. The English you are speaking, I teach you.
This English for what? If you are saying we are following your step, we can't speak English back.
Your English you are speaking is past tense and your present tense you are speaking.
Present tense, past tense. What am I doing about them? Present tense and past tense. What am I doing about them?
Separate them.
If I speak, you can hear.
I hear it.
So what's the present and what past tense?
You get away from me. You are hypocrite.
Who is hypocrite?
You.
If you don't have well, go and find proper.
You are hypocrite, man.
Get away from me.
Ati. I'll teach you a lesson. You see your face.
Hi.
Hypocrite. Boy.
My brother. Mind your speech.
It will mind your speech.
Oh nonsense.
It will nonsense. Your nose like a pig. Pig nose. Your nose bagaya. If say more a child they say cry be call him. Hypocrite. Your nose like a pig nose.
Pig. Which one you are talking about? The small one or the big one?
Back to school, yeah, Beko. School yo, yeah, Beko. School yo, yeah, Beko. Yeah, Beko.
Hello, sir. Sorry, sir.
School yo, yeah, Beko. School yo, yeah, Beko. School yo,
Yeah, hello.
yeah, Beko.
Fine. I'm coming. Sit down. I should sit. Yeah, sit down.
Yeah, Beko. School yo, yeah, Beko. Yeah, Beko. Come home, my young boy, yeah, Beko. School yo, yeah, Beko. School yo, yeah, Beko.
Come, sit down.
You sit down. Here's my house. You can't tell me sit down. The chair belongs to you.
Sorry.
Push, go.
What?
Push.
Sorry. So
talk to me. I'm hearing you.
Okay. So I traveled for some times and I was out of the country and I heard that you asked everybody to leave the school. From the information I'm getting from my sister, you are more like a local champion in this community. Everybody seems to know you. So, and I realized that you are one of those students that brought a lot of your friends to attend the school. And it looks like you're not happy with everything that is going on. And you've put in your own authority to yourself to ask everybody to leave the school, which is really sad. So I'm just here on behalf of the school and on behalf of my sister to beg you. Okay, we're pleading. Please talk to your friends. Let them come back to school again, please.
Okay, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Do you know that you make agreement with me before we start the whole thing?
Yeah.
You told me I should organize people to be in the school.
Yeah.
And you propose you pay us every month. 6 months now, no pay. So how do you expect us to be in that school? So I organize them. Because I'm the one organizing them to be in the school. So I'm the same person organizing them to go Obiekofie, dissolve them.
Don't get this twisted, okay? Is it's
What is twisting?
twisted.
You say I got it twisting?
Don't get me wrong.
Okay, I get it wrong. How wrong?
You are not working for us, okay? We are working for you. We made a promise that when you bring your people to school, we're going to pay you. The fact that we decided to give you guys money based on the fact that we bring you to school so you can learn and speak good English, because the English you're speaking right now is...
What was English? We eat English or we drink English?
No, but you are there to learn so you can travel and then you can express yourself when you meet other people.
Me, I'm in my house. You people came here to beg me. Me, if good English, if no good English, I eat. Look, I plantain, this palm, this orange, cocoa. What else? I have cock. I eat.
But you are in school to learn and learn how to speak good English. That is...
And I'm asking you, what's the English for? You speak English, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, okay, what's the English for? You die.
I'll die.
If you are white, I'm black. If I catch myself, no blood.
Yeah.
If you catch yourself, no blood.
Yes.
You know shit. If you shit, somebody clean your bottom for you. Not you clean it yourself. Me too, I clean it myself. You give sex. Yourself come. Me too, I give sex myself come. I happy. Any difference?
Sorry.
My friend, get away from me.
Sir, listen. I'll give you the money.
Just tell me something proper.
I'll give
if you give money, I'll organize them to come back to the school.
I'll give it.
What's the English?
I will give you 2 months money. 2 months.
No problem. Okay. If you really give me the 2 months, I can organize them
and bring them back.
I want you to be in school because you want to learn and you want to become something big.
English speaking is not allow anybody to speak. It's about force. I'm Achim. Do you know Achim?
No.
Eastern region. Akufuado, his hometown. That's where that come from.
I'll give you the money.
Do you know Akufuado?
No, I don't know Akufuado.
The president of Ghana.
Well, he speaks good English, don't he?
What?
He speaks good English.
And so what?
So it's good for you to speak.
Now I'm going to be the president?
Yes, maybe.
Our parliament?
Okay, fine. You know what? I'll give you 2 months' money, but please bring everybody.
That's all. If you bring 2 months, I'll organize them to be in the school. That's all.
And you
only my money I need.
And you learn English as well.
Oh, what is the English? What is the English?
All right, thank you. It's fine. I'm just leaving. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, get away from me. Boy, tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow, sir.
Yo, Abino. Do you know Abino? Fuck it. Abino, you were hearing. You were hearing. Yeah, you don't wear hearing. You don't respect. Abino people. Nonsense. We have a time to come to my church. Animal glory. Glory. Jesus is our victory. God is our victory. And this what is this? Manufacturing. God is manufacturing. God manufacturing me. Nonsense.
Yeah, it's a good news that we are going to play a football match.
Wow.
The football match we should play on Saturday because of you are not coming to classes on Saturday. So the Saturday on your face you're going to play it.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe the Saturday on your face you're going to play it. Yes. And I'll be the coach. Medida, where is your friends?
My friends, he called me say he will go to farm. Yeah, run for the Mukiaba.
Okay. What again?
I will be the fetish priest or comfort.
You play the ball. Sit down.
Oh, sir, may you chama?
You play the ball. Sit down. The match we started on Saturday. So Saturday we are not coming for any classes. Then we play the ball.
Where's your leg? Where's the leg? Wait. I don't know how to play the game. Remove your leg. Come. Yes, it's okay.
The one thing is, I'm the coach and I'm giving the selection to you all.
Yes, sir.
So listen, the place everybody will play. Yes. Little.
Sir.
You play number 9.
Sir, why?
Shut up. Little, you play number 9.
Wait.
You play number 10.
Sir.
Okay, keep quiet and sit down. At the 20 and mama about 9 10 years say. We munu omo ya yale for. Enti obi hu kan na ane anje penalty amai. Strategy. Body. Sir. You play number 5.
Why?
So any air ball, then you use your nose to head the ball. Hey. You hear what I said?
He said I use my nose to clear the air balls.
Yes. And I know that you can do it.
Somehow.
Yeah. Benida, you play number 11.
Yeah.
Yes. Then you can cross the ball.
Yes. He is disabled.
He's disabled and so he can't play the ball.
I can play, Papa.
Excuse me, Zacchaeus. There is good news.
Okay.
Little, I understand you are striking.
Yeah, Daddy.
2 goals from you.
Amen.
And a special bonus.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ready?
Sir.
Come.
Sir, I'm coming.
Okay.
Sir, I'm the captain. I'm the captain.
Number 8.
Yes, I'm teaching them.
Yeah, you are teaching the police.
Okay.
Okay.
You see, the unproduced.
Yeah.
Your unproduced, you have to put some stylish. Do you understand me? I mean, the one thing I need from you guys, I'm about your polish. Yeah. You see, do something. Your polish.
Like this.
Your polish.
So when I'm doing, you copy like this.
Madam, you tell them something.
Okay. How are you all doing?
Thank you. And you?
Oh, she's
I'm
doing
so fine.
She's doing well. She's doing well.
I'm just here to let you know that next week we are having games.
Oh, keep quiet. I'll play and pay, madam.
Sure.
Madam, I'll play and pay.
Oh!
Hey!
So
I'll
playing volleyball, football, any other game you want.
I'll play the volleyball.
So you should come and see me in my office. I don't know the type of games.
I'll
like.
play and pay.
So I'll leave you for now.
And when you're done with her, you can come to me.
Hey, let's start. Hey.
Jonah, sir. Hard work pays. The way you have been very enterprising. The whites have agreed that the money is in.
Oh, okay.
So the money will be given to you to distribute the money among your colleagues. They trust that no matter what happens, you are going to make sure that everybody is full of thermothetical refreshment.
Thank you, sir.
Make sure that you do it according to the register. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Company 300. Liter 300. Ajwa 250. The rest 250. 300.
What is senior high?
In Kofi Drama,
What is senior high?
250.
When are your homework? When are your homework?
Hey, Cruz.
What is senior high?
Yeah.
What is school?
Why you are not in the classroom?
No.
What's the problem?
You are our best friend. So if we didn't see you in the class, we're
must come
supposed
here.
to come and search for you.
Okay, no problem. What brings you here this morning?
Oh, something is there.
What is that?
The thing is there. Say we hear say the control enter.
Talk on the truth. We go to the headmaster there, and the headmaster said the control money is in.
Oh yeah, the money is true. I will never lie to you. The money is here.
Oh,
everybody money is inside. You give all the money to me, but it's not here. I'll put it to bank. So tomorrow, I'll organize you or then I'll go withdraw for each and everyone.
Oh.
But how much you supposed to give you?
Now me 400, my brother 400.
400.
The controller make mistake.
No, buddy, don't make
It's
any
a
mistake.
treachery.
That's how you talk to us well. Make you know, say, everybody is 400. Now you the 10. Now the team be now 400.
The manager talk and say 400. Yes.
I can never teach you.
We love you.
Me too, I love you. But I'm telling the truth. He said, you three. 600.
Buddy, you know be kiddie. You grow past us.
Yes.
That thing they talk now wrong. That
Yes.
thing we now 400. I know
Yes.
be 300.
See how we and you they know. If you want to cheat somebody, I know
No be us.
I can never teach you.
We love you.
Me too, I love you.
Now 400.
Don't think we are taller than us, so you can cheat us.
Buddy, believe
we
for
are
the
two.
man.
You are
You buy
one.
our money. Kaka you come out be now 400. Kache 300. Buddy.
Duba, belly.
Buddy, that
Belly.
thing stop. Allah.
Belly.
Father Mizu, Charlie.
Buddy, that thing they do now wrong. If you don't like, we go fight for the money. Oh.
Yes.
And if we fight, the money is 300. Why you
Now
fight?
400, but if you won't fight, you go fight. Oh. If you go past us, don't fuck up.
Money is 400. 400. Whether you like it or not. 400.
Okay,
400.
okay. You don't worry. I'll use my money to add that 100 for you. That's all.
Now you talk.
I got the mafia life now.
It's okay. So no problem, okay? So, no problem.
Thank you.
Hey, body.
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
Charlie.
You are welcome. What's your problem?
Eh?
What brings you here this morning?
I buy the thing come.
What's that?
I've come for my money.
Oh, the money, yeah,
come.
the money.
Yeah.
The money is here. The money
Yeah.
is here. The money is here. It's true. The money is here.
Abi.
Everything's
Oh, that's great. That's
well.
great. So
You're supposed to get how many?
Eh?
How much you have to get?
500.
Hey.
500.
Why are you a headmaster?
You are 300. If you are Akufo-Addo, can we pay him 500? And you say 500?
But the 500 be my own.
No, Ajwa. Go and ask the controller. It's 300.
You be woman, why your eye red money like that?
I don't think be 500. How can I get 400?
If you get 500 give you go fee count.
Calm down. Ajwa. So you are bigger part everybody?
You, okay, 400.
It's not
I
400.
shall
It's 300.
No, you cry. Your father they work for farm. How much he they take? Oh, he they get profit.
300, Ajwa.
It be 500. The truth and then Kwale. Kwale 400.
Ajwa, why are you rushing like
It
this?
be 400. The rush. It be 400.
It be 300. Ask them.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm going. By if God permit, tomorrow morning, I'll be here to collect my 400 Ghana. Okay? Just that.
If you come now, 300 will
What's
be
trouble
300.
What's trouble here?
Listen to me. Mona Menimoyade, please. I have to keep everything secret.
Yes.
Get my point?
Yes,
You there, I'll give you the 400. But the rest there, I'll print it.
Every tax we to go come take our son.
I'm the one organize all this thing. So if somebody grant the perfume, he not he wants to he serve
No, the clean.
his son.
You have to eat. You be human being.
Okay.
Where do you want hackers?
You want hackers? In a thief,
You ready?
Okay.
The next one.
Company. Charlie, put in your mind, please. Don't tell anybody.
Oh, don't worry, boy.
If you talk to anybody, then you own it will bang. I'm telling you.
I can go bend this your house. Where is in your house?
I shall give it to you. Don't tell anybody.
Oh, no problem. Where is?
Ask them from. Oh yeah.
Wadi.
Hey, cruise. Have a seat.
What's up?
Everything cool. You people, you are all rushing me.
Let me open.
Why open your bag? Are you giving me something?
I'm coming for the money.
Okay. Yes. The money is around.
Okay.
The money is around, but it's not here.
Where is it?
It's not here.
I put it to bank.
Bank.
What bank?
Oh, Kafefe Bank.
But there is no bank in this town.
Kafefe Bank is here.
Which one is Kafefe Bank?
Don't you know Kafefe Bank?
No, we don't. We don't know Kafefe Bank.
Go, please, exercise patience. And go tomorrow. Come.
No way! Give us our money.
No. You are taking the money.
Look, you cry. I will never do that.
Give me my money.
If I do bad to anybody, if you not you, you are the one do everything.
I supported you.
And the money come. So why I can do this to you? I can't do that. But the money is there. But I can't put the money in this particular room.
Why?
Armed robbers.
We don't have armed robbers here.
So can I put all your people money here? And if somebody comes and steal, what I'm going to say?
Give us our money.
So what do you want? The money is not here, it's the bank. So how are you for?
Give us our money.
But my problem is this. You see, they cancel some of the banks. I think the people say the Kafefe Bank is among.
I've not heard anything.
Okay, then we thank God.
You can't cheat us. You can't cheat us. You can't cheat us. Hey,
hello. Yeah, I'm fine. Sit down. Yeah.
What is going on
We are here for our money. Yes.
The money.
Yes.
Yeah, I gave it to Bwedi.
Oh, the money there, as you say, is
Please
here.
give us our money.
Hey,
give my money.
Hey,
Stop.
don't do this to me. You do respect. Why are you holding me?
By you want to teach us?
Why you can? I want to tell you.
You don't have a bank.
I said the money is there.
The money is in the bank.
I put the money to the bank.
Why are you rushing? Hello?
Why do you put the money in the bank, right?
Yes,
There is no bank in this town.
Oh, why would you tell me?
Yes, there's no
Why
bank.
is it? Cafe Bank is here.
Why do you?
Okay, calm down.
Yeah.
Where is the money?
The money is there, but I can't bring the money is here.
Okay.
Because here is not safe. So I put the money in the bank.
There is no bank in this
Cafe
town.
Bank. Don't you know Cafe Bank is here?
No.
Maybe it's in a different community.
Yeah,
He's lying. He's lying.
Okay, it's okay. So when should they come back for the money?
They can come tomorrow so that we all go to the bank.
It's
I
400,
take it
right?
and say,
Yeah, it's 400. But
he said 300. You see?
It's 400.
Come,
No.
School yo, Yabeko, school yo, Yabeko, Yabeko, busy me school yo, school yo,
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
I'm also fine.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Nowadays, you don't come to school. Why?
Why?
You
School. Sir. School, dear. Me, I'm graduate myself. I won't come again.
Why you graduate yourself?
Yes. Why I'm not graduating myself? I've come to school 4 months. You don't want to pay me. When I was worshiping my gods, they give me sheep, goats, fowls, and crocodiles.
It's not fowls. It's not fowls. It's fowl.
Fowl.
Yeah.
So I should bring my katama out.
Yeah.
Fowl.
Yeah.
Fowl.
Yeah.
Fowl is noun.
And now is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing.
Okay, so it's fowl. Okay, they give me fowl. And you tell me to come. I stop worshiping my gods. I should come your school, and you are not paying me 4 months. Is it good? Maybe I'm great.
Relax. You relax.
Okay. Sure. You have to give me my.
Relax.
Okay. Talk it.
Relax.
Okay. Sir, relax is standing. Quiet.
No. Relax.
I should talk.
Yeah.
So relax means talk.
Yeah. Relax.
And you are our teacher.
Yeah. Relax.
Wow. Is this man okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Relax.
Sir, if you say relax, it will be a channel. Because relax is standing and I'm still standing.
Relax. Body, the big nose like a pig. That nose like a pig. Your nose like a pig.
What has he done?
Body. All your money, the students' money, is at with she. Body. Receive all the students' money. He himself get the money. And she himself he getting the money in his chest.
And anytime, every day he see me, I go and come. I said, why you are not paying us? He said, Nyambe, kuda your temper, Nyambe.
I and 2 teachers went to Wadi house to go and collect the money. Wadi told us that she himself put the money at the sleeping place. Some thief will come and collect the money from she. So he himself put the money at the bank, and he said the bank has sitting on the money and not releasing the money to she.
Sir.
Yeah.
You shit only.
Why?
She is a woman.
Yeah. I'm using body to impress. Yes. She. Yeah. No use she again. So body said the money are there.
So body is owing me my debt.
Me and 2 teachers went to body house.
Yes.
She said the money is not with him. Body. So we can go any place we like. So he himself trained from his house, and she said he's not going to pay you. So you can go to body house and you collect your money from body. So the money is at body house.
So body is local, far local, ma local, bon krekato, akolan sonio sauce.
Yeah. Yes. The last but not the least. comfort your peace.
What?
Comfort your peace. And tell them they should open his nose bagaya the best way.
You see, when you told me to come and go to school, I tell my girls I'm traveling to school, so everybody should go his way. And everybody has traveled to home. They have all go to their hometown. Some are go to Benin, some are go to Togo, some are Burkina. Hi.
So they all travel.
They have all traveled to hometown.
And then your money will be get inside.
So body is owing me my income.
Yeah. So go to body house.
4 months.
4 months. Go to his house and collect.
Thank you, sir. If I kill him, am I bad? I will.